you always want to do what is best for your kids, even if it's just the laundry. So we've been using Dreft for a while. We pre-washed all the newborn's clothes and sheets and burpees and swaddles and everything in it.
This is Dreft's Stage 1 Newborn Liquid Laundry Detergent, and it's very gentle on your baby's skin. And I just feel good knowing that this is what is best for her and her little newborn skin. For all you new moms out there, don't forget to pre-wash your baby's clothes before you put it on them.
So as a mom of so many kids, the product being hypoallergenic and safe and pediatrician recommended is really important.
So we use a combination of this liquid laundry detergent and these Dreft Blissful beads. This is definitely my favorite combo. It definitely has that fresh baby scent to it that I just want to hold on to forever.
Dreft is hypoallergenic, which is so important. It is the #1 pediatrician recommended brand, and it's been trusted by moms for over 80 years. And you know just by using it that you're doing what's best for your kids.